Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Leicester City home shirt for the 25-26 season, and yeah, the shirt's in the bag a little bit wonky, but this is how it arrived. The seller is www.dhgate.com. This is the second set of shirts that we've looked at from this seller. I'm assuming that when this was in transit it just got wobbled around a little bit, so you can see that the front of the shirt's there, so if I pulled it up it would have looked more presentable. But I just wanted to show you how this one arrived. If you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The seller is www.jersey.com. As I said, all the information for the seller in the description of the video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller. But the shirt, as you can see, does come in the standard Adidas bag, and without even having to turn it over, you know it has got the usual health warnings on the back. So what we'll do now is we'll undo the bag and we'll take a look at the Leicester City home shirt for the 25-26 season from www.jersey.com. And I think this is the one without the sponsor. But yeah, I've not opened it, but on the website it showed no sponsor. So let's take a look. Okay, we're at the front of the shirt. And it's got like your standard sort of V-neck collar. You've got the join there for the blue on the white. I really like the Adidas stripes. They're like a gold sort of colour, and then you've got the gold piping that goes all the way to the bottom of the shirt, and is also on the sleeves. I really like that. Adidas, it's embroidered on, and likewise the Leicester City badge has also been embroidered on. And I did say at the start I don't think this one had any sponsor on it, and there's no sponsor. On the sleeve you've got the Beer Sayon sleeve sponsor, and that's heat pressed in. And then at the bottom we have Aero Ready. There's no other printings or anything on there. Stitching under the arm, all looks good. I've got to say the sleeves actually look really small. Maybe it's just because of the gold piping and the way it is, but yeah, they just look really quite small. But yeah, all apart from that looks very, very nice. I do like shirts without sponsors. I think it looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. But there's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around and take a look at the reverse side now as well. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now. And collar line all looks good. You've got some sort of neck protector, the padding that sits around there. And I think this will be very quickest looking at the back because there's nothing on it at all. There's no name, no number. It is just a plain blue as we zoom out. So sometimes on these shirts you do have some like different bits up here, but normally you get like a different sort of back in here where the name and number goes. But yeah, on this one, as you can see, it is just plain blue. Putting my hand onto the material, it's a shiny sort of silky sort of material. I think you can get the glisten of the blue as I hit the light on it. So it's a nice feel and a nice look of the material. The stitching though, yeah, all looks good. And there's the reverse side. Oh, we've got a bit blurry there we go. Let's take a look at the inside now as well. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now. Stitching all looks good. Quite a nice join there, a little bit of excess cotton, but nothing to really worry about. The Adidas, that's a bit strange. Look, they've used like a blue, a burgundy and a sort of gold stitching. I wonder why they've done that. I didn't actually notice. Well, the stripes different colours. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see now. No, it's all gold. Very strange. But yeah, you've got these different colours there, which is a bit weird. Stitching on the sleeve. That's a very short sort of hemline there. Look, and the join not perfect there, but it's okay. On the outside, you can see where it joins there. The Leicester badge stitching looks nice. The Adidas, yeah, the odd loose a little bit there, but again, nothing to really worry about. And this side's got the same sort of colour pattern on it. I don't know why they've done that and not just used a singular colour. Obviously no sponsor in the middle there, although we do have a sleeve sponsor, which I think, is it on this sleeve? Yes, on this one here, which, yeah, no creases in there at all. At the bottom we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry the shirt, just let it hang dry. Never put them in a tumble dryer. And just checking the hemline at the bottom. The cut that isn't perfect, but in all honesty, yeah, that's fine. Not a perfect cut, but it is okay. First part of the inside of the shirt completed. Let's look at the other side now. Okay, it's the final part of the inside of the shirt. We've got our sizing up here, XL, and yeah, this is going to be like an XL because it is the fan version. I don't know what that is there, but it's like a white little mark there. And we've got these tags that they put in on the shirts. Just a standard Adidas one with the Adidas GSY. So if you get a shirt that's got that on there, you know pretty much that it is not a legitimate shirt. And the fact also it uses a plastic tag, that tends to be the biggest giveaway. Pushing in, you can't see through it. You can see the outline of where the stuff is, but you can't see through it. So the material is a nice texture. But not a lot to really call out on this side. Just giving the final look around. But there it is. Like I said, not much to show you on this one, but it gives you that full outside and inside of the Leicester City home shirt, which, like I said, I like it without the sponsor. But yeah, let's flip it around for one final view. And there we have it, our Leicester City home shirt for the 25-26 season. And this was from www.jersey.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. So this is the second haul of shirts that we've purchased from them. And again, really can't grumble at this one. The shirt looks really, really smart. I think some of the newer ones do have the sponsor on there. Although, I don't know if it's the way I'm hanging it, but I've just noticed that the badge looks lower than the manufacturer. Surely they should be in line, but maybe that's just me. Let me know in the comments below, is that how it should be, or should they be in line? But yeah, second haul, delivery timescales, you're looking between the golden dates of the 10 to 15 days for delivery, which is absolutely perfect. As I will leave a link to the seller in the description of the video, along with a dhgate link for my usual seller. So it gives you the option then of checking out the websites for both. But if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there is our final look at the Leicester City home shirt for the 25-26 season. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.